American president once again trying to put up a bid that he should get credit for how India-Pakistan managed to bring a pause to the tensions, to Operation Sindoor, to the strikes and more. He's reclaiming again that he settled the conflict through trade. Now, this is despite the fact that India has constantly put out clarifications that no third-party mediation happened here. The USA and India had a conversation in the past few weeks, but that did not lead to the ceasefire. For now, we are told, remember, at this juncture, Donald Trump is clear. He wants to tell the world he's the one who's resolving all conflicts.
Brother yesterday.
Donald Trump is at it again. Despite India repeatedly busting the US president's claim, Donald Trump has sought to take credit for the India-Pakistan ceasefire. This time in a meeting with South African President Cyril Ramaphosa at the White House on Wednesday.
I think I settled it through trade. We're doing a big deal with India. We're doing a big deal with Pakistan. And I said, what are you guys doing? You know, somebody had to be the last one to shoot. But the shooting was getting worse and worse, bigger and bigger, deeper and deeper into the countries. And we spoke to them, and I think I hate to say we got it settled, and then 2 days later, something happens and they say it's Trump's fault.
New Delhi insists the ceasefire was reached after Pakistani DGMO approached his Indian counterpart. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, in interviews to The Dutch, reiterated India's version of the event.
बुरी तरह पीटने के बाद इसी मजबूरी में 10 मई की दोपहर को पाकिस्तानी सेना ने हमारे डीजीएमओ को संपर्क किया। तब तक हम आतंकवाद के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को बड़े पैमाने पर तबाह कर चुके थे।
Currently on Europe visit, Jaishankar asserted talks are still on with the US for a trade deal. The minister said India is a very independent country and the US should understand that India's decisions are driven entirely by self-interest. While US President Donald Trump repeatedly claims American role in brokering a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, spokesperson of his administration have been less emphatic. Tackling Trump will be one of the key challenges for Indian diplomats in the coming days. Bureau Report, India Today.